Hey guys, this is Andy with Andy's Buildings. Fresh new week today, and we're gonna feature our building of the week. What we got behind here is a 10 by 16 cottage shed portable building. Very nice setup here. The outside color is slate blue with the white trim. We got two 3 by 3 doors and a double shop door entrance here. So come on in. Me and Steven were going over some ideas on turning this into kind of different projects.
So the cool thing about these little wood buildings that we've been advertising is you can pretty much get inspired and get creative and transform these little buildings into anything really. Like what Andy was saying, you can turn this into an ice cream business, a snow cone business, or you can even transform this into your home gym. You have the perfect clearance for it, for having a whole dumbbell rack right over here. You can have your Smith machine right over here. And the cool thing is that you can put a treadmill right here for whenever you get really hot during your workouts. You can have this door wide open to get some cool air rushing in. So really, the building is there for you, and you can only inspire yourself and transform this building for how you see fit. And I think that's the most exciting part about investing into these wooden buildings.
I envision this building being used as a snow cone place. Why? Because you got your order taking window, and you got your serving window right here. You got your double doors, and just the space of it. This building runs right around $5,000. So if you're trying to get in shape and save some money at the same time, you could pick this up for $5,000. Invest a little bit on exercise equipment, and you got yourself a home gym. Guys, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that bell on the notification. That way you guys can get all of our updates. We're gonna keep doing these videos every week to give you guys ideas, show you guys the craftsmanship, and help you guys out through this building journey. We'll see you guys next week. Thank you guys for tuning in.